McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 19 Explorer Drive in Yeppoon.
Situated on an 814 metre square allotment, this 2006 pavilion-style home built by Greg Dean really is something special.
Come on in and have a look.
This property really has so much character. I absolutely love the way they've integrated the indoor-outdoor entertaining, and my favourite feature really has to be the plunge pool.
So guys, there you have it, 19 Explorer Drive in Yeppoon. This beautiful home is located in a nice quiet cul-de-sac in Jilliby Woods and the backside of the running track. If you'd like to view this home, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.